And River Ganga is the river of Bhubaneswar. When Bhubaneswar established in Odisha as the capital, we have thought of this river belt only, because that time there was no this borewell and other water system. We have to depend upon the river water maximum. So mostly the cities are set up in the river belt. So this is Ganga river, and if you see the formation of the river, river mostly this is from different forests and hill area. So this is Chandaka jungle, Chandaka forest, and here is Bharatpur sanctuary. This is the sanctuary in Bhubaneswar, and here is a Khandagiri Udayagiri mountain is there, and here is Deuli Patna mountain. This is Deuli Patna area. So these are the streams are there, and if you see when it's crossing this Raghunath Purna, so before that water are clean over here, but this wetland area and the civilization, this is polluting this area by dumping different garbage and other things, even the sewage and all the